Guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you how to create a page for your profile right on LinkedIn. So if you are using LinkedIn account and you want to create a page for your organization, or let's say for yourself, how can you do that? So go to work. Now go to this create a company page. Now if you are an educational institute, you will select the third option. If you are a company, you will select the first option. So let's try for educational institution. So click on that and provide your organization name. So it's so whatever you're writing, you will see a page preview. In page preview you will see the title. So I will need to write mechanical see right website. You can provide it if you have a website of your academia, you can provide that. Industry is higher education. Then you can provide organization size. If you have a logo, you can upload that. Okay, so it is not taking that logo because you can upload jpeg and png supported file, while this is gif file, so you need to convert it, right? So convert gif to png. So I'm just giving you all the things that you can get when you are making a kind of a page for your LinkedIn account. Just download it. It is now converted to png. Now let's upload it. It's there. Click on open. Right, you can see the image over here. You can provide a tagline if you have, so you can just find over here. Just copy it and paste it. It is just required 120 words, so it's not over here. Click on this and click on create page. Now it says that if you have a new account, please try to create your page again tomorrow. So but like this are the steps to create a page. Okay, so now as you can see, after creating a page, you can see the super admin view. Now over here you can do editing of your page. So now as you can see over here, you can see sponsor an update, post a free job, create an event, create a showcase page, manage admins, employee verification, deactivate page, and more other terms. So you can also add admins over here. So if you want to add so if you want to add any admin, you can just search over here, click on this add admin, search any member, and just that you can add a role to that person. So it can be kind of a content admin, curator, analyst, something like that. So this is what types of admin you can have in your page. Okay, now if you go to my company, you can see trending coworker content. You can just click it on and if you go to home, you can see that you are required to complete this many steps to increase visibility, to increase reach, engagement of public. Okay, so if you complete up to 30% of page, you will see increment in traffic. Okay, so now let's see what you need to do. First, you can add a cover page over here. This is the page, how it will look like, and over here you will see the posts of posts that you are going to post it on your page. Now what you can do, you can add a location. of your page. So select a country. You can add a street address, so just find your company address. Click on save. So Dubai International Academic City, your address will be going to be right. Now you can see, you can find page info, you can put a logo of your, you can put a menu and different things. So let's put a logo. Again, after getting your LinkedIn account, you can create a page after one day. You can't create on the same day. Okay, you can find overview of description, which should be like 2000 words. So for that, what you can do, you can go to your page where you can have the details, and you can just copy paste it, or if you want to write a new detail, you can also do that one. Workplace, then you have locations, commitments, then this collect leads on your page, so turn it on. Okay, so it kind of cost to company or something like that. I'm not sure about this one, but if you are not, I'm not sure, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, if you are also not sure, just don't turn it on. Okay, this is all about this thing. Now let's go back. So now you can see, if you do this editing, you can see that you can start a new post to this new created page. If you don't want to just right now, just click on no thanks. So now you can see it has been completed a lot. Your first post is remaining, custom button. You can add a custom button. So let's see what is it. So these are the custom buttons. You can see button name, website, contact us, right? Contact us. Then you have visit website, something like this. So whatever button you want to add, you can just add it. Register, or learn more, sign up, right? So learn more, I will put it, looking better. Now you can add a topics, grow your follower, invite connections. So if you have connections, you can invite them. Click on invite, and that will invite a person to follow the page that you have created. Okay, now you can add a cover page over here if you have, and you can add a tagline, you can add followers, and you can add events, you can add hashtags. So that a hashtag will particular for your page. So you can see we are getting 3 hashtags. So mechanical engineering BPDC, mechanical engineering BPDC, and we will live. So let's say mechanical engineering BPDC. I can add this hashtag, and then you can add others also. Okay, like this. And then you can see there are admin tools, invite connection, sponsor and update. This has been seen. You have content suggestions, you have analytics that you can see what are the how many visitors has been visited, all the things, and you have activity where you can just posting anything that can come over here. So this is all about to how to create a page and how to take it up and how to just manage it. And I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit a like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.